Hey, what if I told you that the secret to stopping hair loss and regrowing your hair has been sitting in your kitchen this entire time? I'm talking about something so simple, so accessible, that you've probably cooked with it 100 times without even thinking twice. Onion juice. Yes, you heard that right. That same vegetable that makes you cry when you're chopping it up for dinner might actually be the solution to your thinning hair and receding hairline. Now I know what you're thinking. Onions? Really? On my head? But before you click away, let me share something with you. There's actual science behind this, and people all over the world have been using this natural remedy for centuries with some pretty incredible results. So stick with me here because by the end of this video, you might just be looking at onions in a completely different way. Here's what's happening. Onions are packed with sulfur, and sulfur is absolutely crucial for producing collagen, which is essential for healthy hair growth. When you apply onion juice to your scalp, you're literally feeding your hair follicles with the nutrients they've been starving for. But it gets even better. Onion juice has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help reduce scalp inflammation and fight off infections that might be causing your hair to fall out in the first place. Studies have actually shown that people who applied onion juice to their scalp twice a day for 2 months saw significant hair regrowth compared to those who just used tap water. We're talking about real, visible results. The sulfur compounds in onions improve blood circulation to your hair follicles, which means more oxygen and nutrients are reaching the roots of your hair, making them stronger and healthier. So how do you actually use this? It's incredibly simple. Take a few fresh onions, blend them up or grate them, then squeeze out the juice using a cheesecloth or a fine strainer. Apply this juice directly to your scalp, massaging it in gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, though some people leave it on for an hour or even longer. Then wash it out with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you need to be consistent. This isn't a magic overnight fix. You're looking at about 4 to 6 weeks before you start noticing real changes. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, it smells. Onions have a strong odor. There's no getting around that. But you can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or peppermint to the juice to help mask the smell. And honestly, if it means getting your hair back, isn't a little temporary smell worth it? The best part about this remedy is that it's natural, it's affordable, and it doesn't come with the side effects that many chemical hair treatments have. You're not putting harsh ingredients on your scalp. You're working with nature, giving your body what it needs to heal itself. So if you're tired of watching your hair fall out, if you've tried everything else and nothing's worked, maybe it's time to give onion juice a real shot. Your future self with a fuller head of hair might just thank you for it. Onion juice has been used as a natural hair treatment for centuries across different cultures, and there's a solid scientific reason why this humble kitchen staple has stood the test of time. At the heart of its effectiveness is sulfur, a mineral that plays an absolutely critical role in maintaining healthy hair and promoting new growth. When you look at the composition of human hair, you'll find that it's primarily made up of a protein called keratin, and sulfur is one of the essential building blocks needed to produce this protein. Without adequate sulfur, your body simply cannot create the strong, resilient hair strands that you're looking for. What makes onions particularly powerful is their exceptionally high sulfur content compared to most other foods and natural ingredients. When you extract the juice from an onion and apply it directly to your scalp, you're delivering a concentrated dose of sulfur right where it's needed most. This isn't just about surface-level treatment either. The sulfur compounds in onion juice actually penetrate into the scalp and reach the hair follicles, which are the tiny structures beneath your skin surface where each individual hair strand originates and grows from. Once that sulfur reaches your hair follicles, several important processes begin to take place. First, it stimulates the production of collagen, which is a structural protein that provides strength and elasticity not just to your hair but to your skin and connective tissues as well. Collagen helps create a healthy environment around your hair follicles, essentially giving them a strong foundation to grow from. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can build anything lasting, and collagen provides that foundation for your hair. But the benefits don't stop there. The sulfur compounds in onion juice also work to improve blood circulation in your scalp. Better blood flow means that more oxygen and vital nutrients are being transported to your hair follicles through your bloodstream. Your hair follicles need a constant supply of nutrients to function properly and produce healthy hair strands. When circulation is poor, those follicles become starved and weakened, leading to thin, brittle hair that breaks easily and eventually stops growing altogether. By boosting circulation, onion juice essentially wakes up dormant or underperforming follicles and gives them the resources they need to start producing strong, thick hair again. Another remarkable aspect of sulfur is its role in strengthening the actual hair shaft itself. As new hair grows, the sulfur helps create stronger bonds within the keratin structure, resulting in hair that's more resistant to breakage and damage. This means not only are you potentially growing new hair, but the hair you already have becomes healthier and more resilient. The sulfur also helps balance the pH level of your scalp, creating an environment that's optimal for hair growth while being hostile to the bacteria and fungi that can cause scalp problems and hair loss. When people hear about natural remedies for hair loss, there's often skepticism about whether these treatments actually work or if they're just old wives' tales passed down through generations. The beauty of onion juice as a hair growth treatment is that it's not just based on anecdotal evidence or traditional wisdom. It's actually backed by legitimate scientific research that demonstrates real, measurable results. Multiple studies have been conducted to examine the effectiveness of onion juice on hair regrowth, and the findings have been genuinely impressive and encouraging for anyone struggling with hair loss. One of the most notable studies involved participants who were experiencing alopecia areata, which is a condition that causes patchy hair loss on the scalp. The researchers divided the participants into two groups. One group applied onion juice to their scalp twice daily, while the control group applied only tap water using the same frequency and method. After following this protocol for just 2 months, the results were striking. The participants who used onion juice showed significantly more hair regrowth compared to those who used plain water. We're not talking about minor differences here. The regrowth was visible and substantial enough that it could be clearly documented and measured by the researchers. What makes these findings even more compelling is that the study participants didn't need to do anything complicated or expensive. They simply applied the onion juice consistently, twice a day, and allowed time for their scalps to respond to the treatment. The hair that grew back wasn't just peach fuzz either. It was real, terminal hair that continued to grow and thicken over time. This kind of evidence gives real hope to people who have been dealing with hair loss and have perhaps tried multiple commercial products without success. Beyond just promoting new hair growth, the research has also revealed why onion juice is so effective at addressing the root causes of hair loss. The antibacterial properties of onions mean that when you apply the juice to your scalp, you're actively fighting against harmful bacteria that might be living on your scalp and contributing to inflammation or infection. Scalp infections, even minor ones that you might not be fully aware of, can significantly impact the health of your hair follicles and lead to increased shedding and thinning. By eliminating these harmful microorganisms, onion juice creates a cleaner, healthier environment where hair can thrive. Similarly, the antifungal properties of onion juice target fungal infections that can affect the scalp, such as dandruff-causing fungi or other fungal conditions that lead to irritation and hair loss. Scalp inflammation is one of the major culprits behind chronic hair loss, and when your scalp is constantly inflamed or irritated, your hair follicles cannot function properly. They become damaged, weakened, and eventually stop producing hair altogether. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in onion juice help calm this inflammation, reduce redness and irritation, and allow your follicles to heal and return to normal function. This combination of antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects creates a comprehensive approach to treating hair loss that addresses multiple potential causes simultaneously rather than just masking symptoms. Getting started with onion juice treatment for your hair is surprisingly straightforward, and you don't need any fancy equipment or expensive ingredients to begin seeing results. The entire process starts with selecting fresh onions from your local grocery store or market. You can use any variety of onion, whether it's red, white, or yellow, though some people prefer red onions because they tend to have slightly higher antioxidant content. Take 2 to 3 medium-sized onions, peel off the outer skin, and chop them into smaller chunks to make the extraction process easier. Now you have 2 main options for extracting the juice. You can either use a blender or food processor to blend the onion pieces into a pulp, or you can use a grater to manually grate them into a fine consistency. Both methods work equally well, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you've blended or grated your onions into a pulp, The next step is extracting the pure juice from all that fiber and solid material. Take a clean cheesecloth, a fine mesh strainer, or even a clean cotton cloth, and place your onion pulp inside it. Squeeze firmly over a bowl to extract as much liquid as possible. You want to get a good amount of juice because you'll need enough to cover your entire scalp area. Don't worry if there are tiny bits of onion in the juice. That's completely fine and won't affect the treatment. Now comes the application phase, which is where the magic really happens. Part your hair into sections to ensure you can access your entire scalp easily. Using your fingers, a cotton ball, or even a small spray bottle if you prefer, apply the onion juice directly onto your scalp. Don't just pour it on and leave it. Take the time to massage it using gentle circular motions with your fingertips. This massage is important because it not only helps the juice penetrate deeper into your scalp, but also stimulates blood flow to the area, which enhances the overall effectiveness of the treatment. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes really massaging the juice into every part of your scalp, making sure you don't miss any spots, especially areas where you're experiencing the most hair loss or thinning. After you've thoroughly massaged the juice in, let it sit and work its magic. The minimum time you should leave it on is 30 minutes, but many people who see the best results leave it on for a full hour or even longer. Some people even apply it before bed and leave it on overnight, though you'll want to protect your pillowcase with a towel if you choose this route. The longer the juice stays on your scalp, the more time those beneficial sulfur compounds have to penetrate your follicles and do their work. When your time is up, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild, gentle shampoo. You might need to shampoo twice to completely remove the onion smell. If the odor is particularly bothersome to you, you can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender, peppermint, rosemary, or tea tree oil to the onion juice before application. These oils not only help mask the smell, but also have their own beneficial properties for hair health. Consistency is absolutely crucial with this treatment. Apply the onion juice 2 to 3 times per week without fail, and understand that you won't see overnight results.